And welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. This is basically GATE Metallurgy GATE 2021 answer key or solution, you can say. Okay, so for aptitude section, I'm not going to solve this question on screen. However, I solved in my notebook, and I will tell you the direct answer because I am suffering from fever and cold, so I cannot record more videos for this purpose. I need to do this. Okay, so I will try to give the solution of solution of empty section, but here for aptitude section I will tell you only the answers. Okay, so this is the question. First question: consider a square sheet of 1 unit. This question is they are asking that the area of each faces of the final folded shape in square units equals to. Okay, so after solving this question you will get the answer, that is 3. That is C part is correct, means 1 by 8 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, so whenever you are matching with this video to your response sheet, please try to go through the options because they rearrange the options for every options. Okay, so try for checking by the answers only. Okay, so 1 by 8 is correct answer here. Okay, so the next question is: the world is going through the worst pandemic in the past 100 years. The air travel industry is facing crisis. Okay, so this much we know, that air travel industry is facing crisis due to this pandemic. Okay, pandemic. So as the resulting quarantine requirement for the travels led to the demand. Okay, so in relation the first sentence above, what does the second sentence do? Okay, so this is the first sentence here, and what this is the second sentence. Okay, so what does this first sentence have relation with the second sentence? Okay, so this basically this second sentence states the effect of the first sentence. Okay, because this air travel industry is facing crisis because of the worst pandemic. Okay, so this A part is correct. So here it states an effect of the first sentence. This is the correct answer. So this is the 5% PQRST are to be seated in a row. Okay, so all are facing the same. Some conditions are given here, and we need to know the number of distinct sitting arrangement is possible. Okay, so we need to find the sitting arrangement which is possible for these PQRST. Okay, so what is the correct answer? Correct answer is 3. Okay, so option 4 is correct, but our answer is 3. Okay, so please try to match by this answer. Don't go for options because they may rearrange the options for each other. Maybe you will get 3 in option 2, or someone get the 3 answer 3 in option 2 also. Okay, so this is not option, this is answer is 3. 3 possible arrangements, sitting arrangements are possible. Okay, so next question is very simple. They have given some figures here. Okay, so some symbols having some values, and you need to find some values of this cross. Okay, in circle cross and plus sign whole of a square. Okay, so after solving this question you will get the answer 1. Okay, so 1 is correct answer here. So the front door of Mr. X houses faces east, and this is basically the directions related to the direction, and they are asking the direction of the point of Mr. X is now located at the respect to the starting point. Okay, so I'm not wasting the time in reading questions because I'm not going to solve whole questions in aptitude section. Here I will tell you the only options which is correct, so that you can match your answer and you can find the correct answer. Okay, so here the answer is northwest. So 2 is correct answer here. Northwest is correct. Northwest is correct answer for this question. So the next question is that the ratio of the area of inscribed circle of the area of the circle of an equilateral triangle. Okay, so you need to find this the ratio of the area of that circles. Okay, so by solving this question you will get answer, that is 1 by 4. Okay, so 1 by 4 is correct answer for this question. So this 1 by 4 is correct answer. This question is basically related to the time, that is our digital watch X beeps every 30 seconds while watch Y beeps every 32 seconds, and some conditions are given here. So they are asking the intermediate next time that they will beep together. Okay, so after the solving questions you will get the answer, that is 10:08 a.m. Okay, so 10:08 a.m. is correct answer for this question. So 4 part is correct. So this question is basically a box contains 15 blue balls and 45 black balls if two balls are selected randomly, and this question is from probability. This is basically from statistics and probability question. Okay, so for after solving this question you will get answer that is for 45 by 236. Okay, so this A part is correct here, that is 45 by 236. So the next question is some sentences are given here. So they are asking that which of the above sentence are grammatically correct. Okay, so in this question the this is the four sentences and we need to find the two correct sentences, and they have given the some combination of sentences, that is one second, one third, second and fourth, second and third. Okay, so here this first sentence is the number of candidates who appear for the gate examination is staggering. Okay, so this A part is correct here. This is the first sentence. So first sentence is correct basically, and second sentence is a number of candidates from my class are appearing for the gate examination. So this second sentence is also correct. Okay, so this first and second sentence is correct here. Okay, so you can match in your answer sheet, in your response sheet, like that. You need to read the sentence carefully, then only go for the options. Okay, so here first and second sentence is correct. Okay, so these two are correct sentences here in this given question. Okay, this is very simple question from syllogism, and they have given two statements, that is all entrepreneurs are wealthy, all wealthy are risk seekers. Okay, and conclusions are also given, that is all risk seekers are wealthy, only some entrepreneurs are risk seeker. Okay, so if you have some fundamental kind of thing for syllogism, so you can do that question on the common sense basis only. Okay, so based on the sentence and conclusion, which one of the following option is correct? Okay, so this fourth part is correct, that is neither conclusion one or nor conclusion 2 is correct. Okay, so both the conclusion is wrong. So this is the correct answer, and neither conclusion 1 nor second is correct. Okay, so this D part is correct answer here.